Coffee vending machines are specialized vending machines with much higher profit potential than your usual vending machine. They're also less common than other vending machines, which is another factor that will help you attract even more customers. Stay tuned as we break down whether the coffee vending machine business is worth pursuing. An untapped market. Starting a coffee vending machine business is perhaps the easiest, most affordable, and least labor-intensive way to tap into the coffee market, where there is always demand. After all, people aren't suddenly going to stop wanting coffee. Coffee vending machines are easy to use, incredibly convenient, and available with many different options and levels of functionality. These machines can provide customers with beverages like espressos, cappuccinos, lattes, or hot chocolates made to order. But there are also basic models that simply grind beans or use pre-ground coffee to make fresh brewed coffee on the spot. In any case, these machines typically also give the customer a choice of creamers, sweeteners, and sometimes flavors to meet their needs. A single machine can brew hundreds of cups of coffee per day. And beyond that, if you place one in a region that's prone to cold weather, you may sell even more. And as you'll see, with a little bit of strategy and the right pricing, one of these machines could produce a massive ROI. Where to place a coffee vending machine? There are many places where coffee vending machines could do well. These include office break rooms, highway rest stops, hospitals, college campuses, event venues, and pedestrian hubs like transit stations. Other places to consider include gas stations, grocery and convenience stores, shopping malls, and libraries. As with any vending machine business, you'll want to make sure your coffee vending machine is in a well-lit place that is in view of security cameras. You'll probably also want to avoid high crime areas where your machine might be vandalized or broken into. Are coffee vending machines profitable? It's no secret that coffee vending machines can be very profitable. After the initial investment of purchasing a machine, you'll only have to keep it stocked with the coffee ingredients required, which tend to be pretty cheap. You should also expect to work out a rental agreement for the location of your machine, which could either be a flat rate or a percentage of sales. Finally, you'll also need to keep the machine maintained and serviced if and when it goes down. But then, like any other vending machine, your coffee vending machine will produce a mostly passive form of income. They will operate independently for days or weeks at a time without you doing a thing. You only have to check in occasionally to restock the machine and collect your money. The best coffee vending machines. There are several brands of coffee vending machines on the market. A couple of the best brands are Seiko and Lavazza. These companies both manufacture coffee and sell coffee vending machines, while also providing vending machine services. Other players in the industry include Brio, Avalon, Nescafe, Barista, and Bianchi, just to name a few. Machines can vary in price depending on functionality, type, and brand. You can also either rent or buy a coffee vending machine. Some companies will even let you rent machines by the day, week, or month. If you can afford it though, buying one is usually the way to go, as you'll see a more considerable profit margin in the long run. Used machines can be purchased for as little as $1,000, while new models can range between $3,000 and $6,000. To buy a machine, simply go to the company's website and fill out their purchase inquiry form. Then a sales rep will contact you to arrange the sale. Alternatively, if you're looking for a used machine, you can search on platforms like Facebook, eBay, or Craigslist, where you might be able to find them even cheaper. How much you can make. If you own one coffee vending machine and place it in a high traffic location, you can make as much as $500 a week or $2,000 a month in revenue. Ideally, once you've managed to pay off your initial investment and you've found success with your first machine, you could branch out by buying even more machines. After that, you can scale to make hundreds of thousands of dollars per year in revenue. So it looks like the coffee vending machine business is certainly worth it. For a rundown of a basic food and beverage vending machine business, check out our previous video here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.